Chapter 10. Water for Life. Stepping up. Water and its uses. From where we get water. Precautions to save water. How water changes its form. Children, you know how water is useful to us. Water is one of the most important things we need. All living things need water to stay alive. Now listen to the poem and write such a poem on your own. Water is pure, water is natural, water is healthy, water can help all. Water is simple, water is free, water can help the lives of you and me. Olivia Taylor. Isn't it a nice poem? Yes, ma'am. It is. Now we will discuss about water in this chapter. Water for life. We cannot live without water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and many other things. Plants and animals also need water. Where does water come from? Times some mountains are always covered with snow. When it is warm, the snow on these mountains melts into water. This water flows down into streams, rivers and lakes. We use this water. Rain, snow, stream, small lake, rain, river, well, hand pump, underground water. We also get water from the rain. Rainwater fills rivers, ponds and lakes. Some rainwater sinks into the ground. People use wells and hand pumps to get this underground water. Clean water. Water from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells may not be clean. Drinking this water can make us sick. In this picture, water from the factory is flowing into the river. People are using this water to wash clothes and to fill pots. This water is not safe for use. Can you tell why? Saving water. Water is precious. Each drop of water should be saved. We can save water in different ways. Close the tap properly after use. Get leaking taps repaired. Do not let the tap run while you brush your teeth. Pour the water left in your school bottle into a flower pot. Do not waste water while bathing. Do not let water overflow in buckets. Collect rainwater. Store it in buckets and drums. Use it for cleaning, washing or watering plants. Forms of water. Have you seen water boiling? What comes out of the vessel when water boils? It is the steam that comes out. Steam is also called water vapor. Do you know what is coming out of the vessel? That's steam coming out. What happens if a steel plate is held on top of the vessel? What do you see? You see tiny droplets of water on the plate. The steam on touching the cold plate cools down and changes into droplets of water. Look, the vapor is touching the cold plate. Yes, and it forms water again. You add ice to your drinks in summer. Do you know how ice is formed? Fill an ice tray with water and keep it in the freezer. After some time, water will change into ice. Will this water turn into ice? Wow! It has turned into ice. Froggy's Kingdom Froggy's dish is ready. Look at the steam coming out. Hooray! We've managed to escape. Oops! I am falling. Froggy's dish smells good. The steam coming out touches Froggy's face and forms drops of water. It was so cold in the freezer. So we've joined together to form ice. Froggy is making a nice cold drink. Did you know? An iceberg is a very big piece of ice floating in the ocean. Only a little part sticks out. We cannot see the part under the water. If a ship hits an iceberg, it can get damaged and even sink. This is what happened to the Titanic. An ice cube floating in water is like an iceberg in the ocean. Big planes like to fly above the clouds. Here the air is calm. So the ride is not bumpy. When a river flows over a cliff or high rocks, it makes a waterfall. The water cycle in nature, water keeps changing its form. This forms the water cycle. Let us read how water changes its form. The sun heats the water in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. This changes water into water vapor. Water vapor rises up in the air. High up, where it is cool, water vapor turns into tiny drops of water. These drops of water form clouds. In the clouds, the tiny drops join together to form large drops. These large drops are heavy and fall on earth as rain. Rainwater flows back into the rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. This water gets heated by the sun. It again goes up into the air to form clouds. This way the water cycle goes on in nature. Water gets heated by the sun and rises up in the air as water vapor. Water vapor cools down and forms clouds. Small drops of water join and form bigger drops. The clouds cannot hold the big drops. This water comes down as rain. Let us say it again. Water changes its form on heating or cooling. In nature, water keeps changing its form. This is called the water cycle. Water is precious and should not be wasted or dirtied. Heavy drops of water in the clouds fall as rain. People, plants and animals need water to live. The snow on the mountains melts and flows down as a river. We get water from rain, rivers and from under the ground. Drinking water must be clean. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. We need this to drink, bathe, cook food and wash clothes. A. Milk. B. Water. C. Juice. 2. Water is not used for A. Sleeping. B. Bathing. C. Drinking. 3. The main source of water on the earth is A. Rain. B. Seas. C. Ponds. 4. In nature, water keeps changing its form. This is called the A. Water vapor. B. Water cycle. C. Evaporation. B. Fill in the blanks. 1.is one of the most important things we need. 2. Fills rivers, ponds and lakes. 3. Close the properly after use. 4. In our homes we get water from. 5. Heavy drops of water in the clouds fall as. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. There can be life without water. 2. The water we drink should be pure and clean. 3. We must turn off taps after use. 4. Heavy drops of water in the clouds fall as rain. 5. In nature, water does not change its form. D. Answer these questions. 1. What are the 2 sources of water on the earth? 2. Why do we need water? 3. How can we save water? 4. What is evaporation? 5. What is water cycle? HOTS questions. 1. Why should we use a bucket of water instead of a shower for taking a bath? 2. Why is Earth called a blue planet? Activity. To make a boat. Follow the steps shown in the pictures to make a boat for yourself. Life skills. Save water. Water your plants just once a day. Get leaking taps mended as soon as possible. Pour only as much water in a glass as you want to drink. Do not throw away the water left in your water bottle. Pour it into a potted plant. Turn off the tap while you brush your teeth. Avoid bathing under a shower. Use a bucket of water. You will save a lot of water. Teacher tips. Discuss with the children the importance of water for plants, animals, and human beings. Explain the need to save water and not to waste it. Talk about water pollution and how it can be controlled.